Hey guys, it's me, Ron Jones, the artist. Today is day 9-9, and man, it was such a long day. Had a late start. Woke up later than I wanted to. It's already past my bedtime now. But anyway, late start. I had a great first day in my job, my new job. It was pretty cool. So I started working for this game studio here in Atlanta, Tripwire Interactive. Um, so that's pretty cool. But right after that, or right after I got off, I had to come back here, and I wanted to check out and support my friend at this art event downtown. Um, so a lot of commuting. All my Uber drivers were crazy today. I don't know what was going on with that, but yep. Um, so yeah, I am exhausted, but fortunately, I think I timed all of this right. So once I'm done with the challenge, I'll be able to focus more time in other areas of my life. Plus some events and other stuff coming up shortly anyway. So it's going to be fun, and I'll definitely update you guys with like videos or more speed painting videos, or just I'll keep my channel active and fun. Um, I'm sorry, I'm excited, and I don't really know when I'm gonna be able to post tomorrow's video, but I'll probably be able to do it after work. But yeah, I definitely didn't want to flake on the last video or the last two videos. So I'm up doing this now, and I'm going to stop talking because I need to knock out this 30 minutes and go to sleep and do it all again.